Fall in love with your partner for something beyond their body, beyond their looks. Fall in love with the spirit, with the orientation, with the mind. I'm not saying looks don't matter. It's okay. God is not a killer of joy. It's okay. God is not a killer of joy. He's not going to give you what you don't like. God has never forced marriage on anybody. I didn't like her, but God insisted. God insisted. You didn't hear well. That's not God. Our definition of love must not be shallow. Everybody make changes. And that's why marriage is not for boys. It's for men. How do you know a boy? He's not emotionally mature. The wife is pregnant. She's throwing up. He's covering his nose. You married her. A real man is daddy. He fathers the woman. He's many things to her. Marriage is not for the surface. Even your children that you give birth to, they will not remain children. They change. So change happens. And there are negative changes that people have experienced that informs their fear much more.
What do you want?
Husband's contact from you.
You want what do you want?
Husband's contact from you.
You want what?
My husband's contact from you.
They say you want what?
My husband's number from you.
Speak louder.
I want you to give me my husband's number from you.
Your husband's number.
Yes, sir.
I'm worried. Do you have my number?
No, sir.
Do you have my number?
No, sir.
Do you call me on phone?
No, sir.
How did I go to your husband to contact?
Sir, you have it.
Did your husband know me?
Yes, sir.
Your husband know me?
Yes, sir.
But I don't know you.
Yes.
Have you met that your husband before?
No, sir.
Yeah. Who is the person?
Sir, it's Flavor. It's Flavor.
Onye?
Flavor.
You people, have you met him before?
No, sir. No, sir.
And you people have been dating what?
For 3 years now.
For 3 years. Where are you people dating?
Sir.
In the dream.
No.
They say ladies, when you ask their name, they say my name is Chin Chin. Amen. Go to so many ladies, when you ask them their name, you say, my name is Zini. Some will say, my name is Somis. My name is Zanis. My name is Kunis. If you want to know original name of that lady, tell the lady to send you your account number so that they will send her money. That is where you will see the original name. The original name may be Teresa. Teresa Fium. You will call her back, please. Check the account number you sent to me. It's like you did not send the account number. And she will say,
Enugu State.
what do you mean by Fidelia?
Fidelia.
Liberia.
Anyachukwu.
Liberia.
Fidelia. Anyachukwu.
Fidelia.
Fidelia. L. Fidelia.
Fidelia or Fidelia. Madam, where do you stand? How can you say? You say Fidelia.
Anyachukwu.
It's not Fidelia.
Oh, Fidelia can ederem.
What is going on in this church?
Oh my God, some people na call Fidelia, some na call Fidelia.
Where is your madam? That is why you are not. How can the blessing coming down from heaven now? Is it Fidelia that God will give the child, or Fidelia? Which one can receive the child?
Fidelia.
Okay, Fidelia will receive the child. So forget the Fidelia.
It's my name.
You eating?
Since this thing starts, I don't used to eat food again.
I ask you, do you eat today?
No, what I eat in the morning was not.
What do you eat in the morning?
Oh, I take just malt and milk.
You take what?
Malt and milk, finish.
Malt and milk?
Yes, because I cannot.
Do you know what you mean, malt and milk?
Yes.
Malt and milk is like food for the fat people. If you want to be fat.
That's what I take because of that strength.
Do you know that malt is a heavyweight something? Milk is another joint heavyweight. If you take milk and malt,
joint fat,
you will not be hungry again. I know what I'm talking about.
Exactly, sir. It's true.
Malt and milk is a balanced diet. It's an intercontinental dish.
Exactly, sir.
So the woman has already been eating overdose.
Exactly.
Which kind of food are you eating?
Since
Who
this,
brought you down here?
A friend.
Who is a friend?
Please, who brought this sister here?
A friend. Are you the friend? Eh?
Yes, sir.
Which kind of friend?
She's my friend.
I say, which kind of friend? This is my friend. Is it a friend indeed? Or a friend for marriage?
A friend for marriage.
Make kotagonge now. Ekonyegonge. Also, my friend. Do you want him to marry you?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yes.
Oga, your marriage has started. Your marriage has started. Your marriage has started. Nobody can separate you. No father can separate you. No mother can separate you. I saw one get dressed now well abieba. In a bequeba dress you well. Makanda ne yakwa yavabia. Amen. Dress well. Look well. Look tantalizer. Look vivacious. Look voluminous. Look colossus. Look phantamagorious. Look look burger. Amen. Look like burger. Look like fried rice. Look like chicken and